Pythonic way to check if something exists? This is pretty basic, but I was coding and started wondering if there was a Pythonic way to check if something does not exist. Here's how I do it if it's true. But when I check if something does not exist, I often do something like this. Seems like a waste if all I care about is k, and is there a way to check if something does not exist without the else?
Bubble style, look before you leap. ETH style, easier to ask forgiveness than permission. Prefer the second style, EAFP, when coding in Python, because it is generally more reliable.
I think you have to be careful with your terminology. Whether something exists and something evaluates to false are two different things. Assuming you want the latter, you can simply do. For the former, it would be the less elegant. I am going to take a leap and venture, however, that whatever is making you want to check whether a variable is defined can probably be solved in a more elegant manner.
To check if a var has been defined. To check if it is none, false, or
if this is a dictionary, you can have. However, as underscore key is completely removed from Python 3.x, therefore, the Python way is to use in. You can use in for tuple, list, and set as well. Of course, if the variable hasn't been defined, you will have to raise an exception silently. Just raise any exception. Let it pass. If exception is not what you want to see, which is useful for many applications, you just need to log the exception. It is always safe to define a variable before you use it. You will run into assignment before local reference, which means var is not in the scope in plain English. If you do something with query, the chance is, you will want to have a dictionary, and checking whether a key exists or not, use in.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.